Gracias, Jesús. No sé si se oye, sí. Bien, tal y como reza el programa, vamos a poner a continuación 3 vídeos muy cortos, dura cada uno 1 minuto y algo, 1 minuto y medio, generados por el propio proyecto Human Brain, que creo que son de bastante interés, centrados en las 3 ideas fundamentales: computación, medicina y neurociencia, ¿no? Javier, gracias. Sí, este es
To simulate the complete human brain, the Human Brain Project will need supercomputers 100 times more powerful than any that exist today. The Human Brain Project's high-performance computing platform will offer simulation scientists unprecedented exascale computing capabilities. New multi-scale technologies will allow them to make the best possible use of these resources, modeling each part of the brain at the appropriate level of detail. New techniques of interactive supercomputing will give scientists the tools to visualize and work with simulations as they run, the same way they would use an instrument in the lab. New high-performance computing technologies from the Human Brain Project will have an impact that goes far beyond brain research. No engineered system can match the flexibility, resilience, and energy efficiency of the human brain. None can match its ability to effortlessly learn new tasks without programming. One of the Human Brain Project's most important goals is to develop a completely new category of neuromorphic computing systems, chips, devices, and systems directly inspired by detailed models of the human brain. Neuromorphic computing has the potential to make an enormous impact in industry, transport services, healthcare, and in our daily lives. The Human Brain Project Neuromorphic Computing Platform will offer companies and developers their first chance to experiment with these new systems and to explore possibilities for radically new applications.
Vamos a ver el siguiente vídeo, que es de los 3 grandes pilares, que es computación, medicina y neurociencia. Vamos a ver ahora el de medicina.
Every year, tens of millions of European citizens battle with migraines, depression, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and hundreds of other brain diseases. Brain disease costs Europe more than cancer and heart disease combined, over 800 billion euros per year. What we need is a radically new strategy. Brain diseases are different from other diseases. There are no objective lab tests and few effective treatments. Drug development is slow and expensive. So expensive, in fact, that many pharma companies have closed their labs. In the new Human Brain Project strategy, the first step is to federate patient data in hospitals all over the world, allowing researchers to search for patterns unique to the disease and unique to the patient. Once we can see where our patients land on a map of all diseases, we will be able to provide clearer diagnoses and personalized treatment. In some cases, we might even be able to stop their diseases before they get off the ground. But that's only the first step. Our next job will be to configure our brain models with these disease signatures. We can then use these models to work out the best treatment, a revolutionary tool for researchers studying brain disease and developing new treatments. This is an effort that will go far beyond the Human Brain Project. The Human Brain Project's medical informatics and brain simulation platforms will be open to the whole clinical research community. Working together, we'll develop a better understanding of brain disease and faster, cheaper ways of developing new drugs. Most importantly, we may be able to provide safer, more effective, and more personalized treatments.
Y ahora por fin vamos a ver la última presentación, que es la de neurociencias, que es el otro gran pilar del proyecto.
Modern neuroscience has not yet given us a detailed understanding of the way the brain works. We can describe genes, cells, circuits, large-scale patterns of activity, cognition, but we still do not understand the causal mechanisms linking low-level interactions among genes and cells to our ability to perceive, understand, and act. Neuroscience is fragmented. Different groups use different methods to study different brain areas in different animals at different levels of description. The Human Brain Project has developed the first comprehensive integration plan. The first part of this plan is to create atlases of the brain as a single point of deposit and to provide worldwide access to all the data collected. Any lab will be able to link its data to the atlas, allowing any researcher to easily find data generated by others. But data on its own is not enough. To understand the causal mechanisms linking the brain's different levels, we need experiments. Experiments that are difficult or impossible to perform using tissue samples or living animals. The Human Brain Project's brain simulation platform will provide the world neuroscience community with a completely new way of doing experiments. The platform will integrate all of our knowledge and data into unifying models spanning the brain's different levels of organization. We'll simulate the behavior of these models on powerful supercomputers and steadily improve them with new data as it becomes available. The Human Brain Project's neurorobotics platform will couple the simulations to virtual robots. This will allow researchers to manipulate low-level details of the brain model and study the effects on the robot's behavior. Through this new in silico neuroscience, there will be nothing we cannot measure, no aspect of the model we cannot manipulate. There will be no question we cannot ask. Simply put, the Human Brain Project offers a completely new approach to understanding the brain. It is this understanding that will drive the project's contributions to future medicine and future technology.
Bueno, pues solo deciros que los vídeos y la jornada, la mesa redonda se colgarán a partir de dentro de 2 días en la página web del Instituto, en las páginas de nuestro comité. Ahí tendréis tanto los vídeos como la